The Silverman Institute of Cosmetic Dentistry's LifeLike Veneers are the first and only veneer system that eliminates guesswork, guarantees natural lifelike results, and patient satisfaction each and every time. And unlike porcelain veneers, LifeLike Veneers can be done all in your office, in one visit, and at a fraction of the cost. Dr. Silverman comes to your office and shows you how easy it is to create beautiful lifelike veneers. Even more importantly, he also shows your staff the virtually effortless marketing and management systems for smile makeovers that will increase your bottom line.
My patients have just been thrilled. I mean, they know what they're getting with the mock-up. We know what the color, we know the shape. We just expand on that a little bit. They're getting their smile transformation done in one appointment. I haven't had one person that we've done LifeLike Veneers on with the Silverman Institute program that when we sat them up after the program and the patient has looked in the mirror and just hasn't been thrilled and beaming. The follow-ups with the Institute has been tremendous through my learning curve. I always felt like I had a real good handle on how to do this type of thing, but there's always subtleties that can be corrected, and Dr. Silverman has been fantastic with critiquing my cases and helping me work through the little nuances. I can give an example. The first time I did a case, I sat behind the patient from the very beginning, and then I noticed when I was looking at my photographs and I sent them to Harvey, I noticed the teeth had just a little bit of a slant to them, and he suggested, well, let's move around in a different position, stand in front of the patient, you get a better perspective, and since I've been doing the LifeLike Veneers from that point of view, the embrasures are better, the teeth are exactly the way they should be, nice and straight. The one best thing that I've loved about the Silverman Institute program is it's brought a lot of joy doing dentistry back into my life. I have been doing this for 20 years now, and it was getting stale, to be honest. And this has brought in something that I love doing and in a way that I love to do it. And it's helping my bottom line. It's been a win-win-win for me, and it's revitalized my desire to do dentistry. Other dentists should enroll in the program if they want the same benefits that I have gotten from the program. If you don't want to do cosmetic dentistry, then this would not be the thing for you. But boy, why wouldn't you? And even if you've never had the real desire, a dentist would not be doing justice to himself not to check this out, because it's a completely new way of doing it. It's so conservative in its nature. It's beautiful in the results. The patients are happy, and even if cosmetic dentistry was never a passion of a dentist practicing, they should really look at this, because it would open a whole new avenue up to them. The support from the Silverman Institute has been invaluable. From the technical aspect, reviewing the cases that we've completed, finding out the little nuances that needed to be corrected, the technical support from the management side has been great. We've gone over the smile analysis forms. We critique those as we go along, and we've just been building and evolving, and the support that we get is fantastic. An email is returned within hours, if not half a day. A phone call is returned the same way. I don't have to wait around for an answer, because I might have a patient that afternoon or the next day that we're going to do something else on. And Dr. Silverman's support has been invaluable in getting the program started and helping it grow. I would recommend the Silverman Institute program to any of my colleagues. It's been a joy to get into it. It's been a joy to progress through it to this point. There's a lot more joy coming in the future. I love it because I get to create some beautiful smiles for patients in one visit. They're happy because they're getting beautiful smiles at a very affordable cost, and the whole team gets excited because of the patient satisfaction and what we're able to provide.
Why not discover how the Silverman Institute and LifeLike Veneers can help your practice thrive even in tough economic times? And because we're so confident that this program will work for you, here's our guarantee. We'll set up your entire LifeLike Dentistry program, including the Silverman Institute's proven marketing, management, and technical simplification systems, right in your office. Then, if for any reason you or your practice doesn't like experiencing increased productivity and sales, you can stop the program anytime without penalty. Find out more about the Silverman Institute and the LifeLike Veneers program now. Your patients, your staff, and your practice will be glad you did.